What's the meaning of amiable? Amiable. 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 Amiable.
The word amiable is an adjective used to describe a person's friendly and pleasant temperament or disposition. It suggests that the person is generally agreeable and easy to get along with, often exhibiting warmth and kindness towards others. An amiable person is typically approachable and easy to talk to, and they tend to inspire positive feelings in those around them. Overall, someone who is described as amiable is considered to be a likable and enjoyable person to be around.